Hi everyone, I've got something a little bit different for you today, which is a lock in the mechanism what goes inside a door lock. So I wanted to try and pick it as it was in the door, and safer not to use a door, I thought I'd use this. So the lock does work, absolutely fine. There's the button on the key. And what I'll be doing today is picking the lock in the wrong direction, as I've got this tool and I have been having a play about with it and I think it's absolutely awesome, so I just wanted to show it off a little bit really. You do turn it 180 and then when the lock is picked in the wrong direction, and it should spin it past, but this is take 2 because it did lock back up, so hopefully this time it goes a bit better. So I will be using pin side tension, and I'll be using a homemade pick. Straight in looking for a binder, and I will not. I'll try not to put my hands behind it like as if it was in a door. So the tension, I'll be this side, and again I won't go past the anti-snap, hopefully, while I'm trying to pick. Little click out with 2 there, when got a little bit of movement on the car. Click out with 4, that was 5, click out with 6, I think that one snapped on the warden a bit. A lot of clicks in this lock, and it is very awkward to explain as I can't really get a feel, as usually my hand's over the top of the lock, so I get a feel through the lock. So it is a lot more difficult doing it this way. As I say, this is take 2, so I did open the lock, just it locked back up with the tool. Slipped my mind. Got a little bit of a false sec, more of a false sec going there. Doesn't look like it wants to open for me this time round. Now we've got the deep false set going, and it's usually touch on pin 2. Not today. Nope, I felt something else pop back up there. And we do have an open. I touched on pin 4 there. As you can see, the lock is open, but it is open in the wrong direction. So what we will try and do is use this tool once again. I'll try and keep it in shot. So we turn this tool 180 and bring this back around a little bit. About there. I will hold the vise because I am using it like this. Make sure it's in this time. And 3, 2, 1. And we did go past it, so now it is open in the right direction. But we're still not open completely. And there, the lock is open completely. The pins have got caught on the bottom. but there we go, and lock it back up again. Stuck a little bit there, perfect. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching, bye for now.